excess of charged particles, such as electrons or protons. There's physically an accumulation of charge or dynamically as a current. Here is the image of electricity. On globe electricity, there are two main types of electricity: static electricity and current electricity. Static electricity, it is generated by rubbing two or more objects together, causing to build up friction, while current electricity is generated by the flow of an electrical charge during a conductor across an electrical field. Early history of electricity. Electricity dates back to 2725 BC. In ancient Egypt, the ancient Egyptians discovered electric fish, which were called thunder of the Nile, and appear in carvings dating back to 2125 BC. The first attempt to use electrical energy may have been in medicine. Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians reportedly used electric fish for treatment like epilepsy and gout. The next time electricity to be discovered was static electricity. It was attributed by Thales of Miletus, a Greek philosopher, who discovered that the particles of dust could cling to amber the same way we are seeing stick to a balloon. Here is the image of Thales of Miletus. Different sources of electricity. Here are the different sources of electricity: fossil fuel, coal, natural gas, oil, hydroelectric, wind, geothermal, solar, renewable energy, biomasses, biofuels, and other defined data. Now, I'll be showing you other usages of electricity in different locations. We'll be using US and Nigeria as an instance. In the US, they use 34% of natural gas, 30% of coal, and 20% of nuclear. That is why the use of electricity in the US is very high. But in Nigeria, we use 86% of natural gas and 14% of hydroelectric. That is why the use of electricity in Nigeria is very poor. How is electricity to produce? To produce electricity, a turbine generator is set. It converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. In the case of natural gas, coal, nuclear fusion, biomass, petroleum, geothermal, and solar thermal, the heat that is produced to create the steam which moves the blades of the turbine. Modern history of electricity. The war of current was the beginning of the modern age of electricity, as new technologies rolled out across America and around the world. In Winston, a man named Henry Rogers became the first person to use hydropower to generate electricity in his home, while Wanda Siemens built the first electric streetcar in Germany in 1881. But the increased demand for electricity meant a larger scale generation and high voltage transmission lines. Early power plants used coal power steam turbines to produce electricity, as coal remained the most common source of electrical energy in the US for years, surpassed by only natural gas in 2015. I'll be handing the microphone over to Arif Alao to continue on this presentation. Arif, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Esme. I'll take it up from here. Types of electricity. Hydroelectricity. This is using energy from water to generate electricity. At the plant level, water flows through a pipe, also known as a pencil, and then spins the blades in a turbine, which in turn spins a generator that ultimately produces electricity. Most conventional hydroelectric facilities operate this way, such as the run of the river system and pumped storage system. Thermal electricity. This is electricity produced through steam. Most thermal power plants are steam driven. Typically, water is heated into steam and directed across the blades in a turbine. The turbine is commonly attached to an like turning a ship propeller. Wind electricity. This is electricity produced through wind. Wind is formed by the pressure differences of the Earth's atmosphere, which are induced to the temperature differences. In actual fact, the sun hits the earth unevenly, creating areas of high and low pressure. Air moves from high pressure to low pressure, thereby generating wind. Solar electricity. This is electricity produced by the sun. Solar electricity is produced by nuclear fusion that takes place in the sun. Fusion occurs when protons of hydrogen atoms violently collide in the sun's core and fuse to create a helium atom. This is known as PP, proton-proton chain reaction, emits an enormous amount of energy. Nuclear electricity. This is electricity produced by nuclear fusion. Nuclear power reactors use heat produced during atomic fission to pour water and generate pressurized steam. The steam is routed across the reactor system to spin large turbine blades that drive magnetic generators to produce electricity. How electricity is made. Electricity is a secondary energy source produced from the conversion of other sources like coal, natural gas, oil, nuclear power, and so on. These are known as primary sources. Primary sources can be renewable or non-renewable. Like everything else, electricity is made of atoms. But to understand electricity, you must understand the basic information on atoms. Atom is the smallest unit which matter can be divided without the release of electrically charged particles. At the center of an atom is the nucleus. The nucleus is made of particles called protons and neutrons. The electrons revolve around the nucleus shell. The electrons and protons have strong attraction to each other and each carry an electrical charge. Electrons. The electrons in shells closer to the nucleus have strong attraction to the proton. Sometimes, the nucleus, the atoms outermost shell do not have strong attraction and can be pushed out of their orbit, causing it to shift. The shifting electrons are electricity. Objective. The objective of this research is to see how electricity is made from electrolytes of either water or acetic acid. Both water and acetic acid are electrolytes. These electrolytes can be found in potato tubers. Now I'd like to pass the mic to Ibrahim.
Thank you, Harry. The aim of this presentation is to generate free electricity. Materials needed are 2 potatoes, 2 nails, positive line, and negative. And a cable with a bulb. I would now like to hand it over to Okiki. Method. The 2 nails are connected with The cable are then connected to a bulb. The nails with the connecting cable are pushed into the bag of potato. Observation: you observe that the glow going when the circuit is complete. This is a glow going.
We have a prototype here.
Conclusion: the potato has
This is a potato and this is an alternator. These are cables. This is a bulb. So we put the property magnetic on the wires. So the wires can also be put on the alternators.
two metal. This means that it separates the two nails, forcing the election, trying getting to more metal to the hole, and trying to the potato and form a circuit. These electrons are able to flow through the potato